Good day, everyone. I hope you all doing great. Thank you and welcome to all my followers and all my subscribers. If today is your first time coming across this channel, then welcome. Welcome to a community of like-minded business people. We do networking, we do promotion of ourselves and our businesses on this channel. So if you're looking for a family where you can network, promote, advertise, and push yourself and your business, this is the place to be. Do not forget to subscribe to us or like the video if you like what you see. As we all know, last week's video was a little bit hectic on the comment section. Luckily, we are not a reaction channel, so we're not going to be reacting on comments of last week's video. But I'll say this, for Africa to move forward and to do exploits like we know we can, with all our blessings and resources, we need to be united. We are one. One Africa, one continent, one race. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how doing business with China has caused the continent, and especially Ghana, a great lot of harm. Please do stay tuned and enjoy the video. I'd like to give you an overview of how Ghana looks like and how China looks like, so do enjoy. In square footage, China is the fourth largest country in the world after the United States, Canada, and Russia. But it is the world's most populous country with a total population of about 1.4 billion people. It is a unified multi-ethnic country with the Han nationality as the main nation. China is one of the 4 earliest civilization nations in the world. Since it began to open up and reform its economy in 1978, GDP growth has averaged almost 10% a year. And guys, listen to this. And more than 800 million people have been lifted out of poverty. There have been also significant improvements in access to health, education, and other services over the same period. That is amazing. Okay, now let's look at some facts that you might not know about China. One fact is that toilet paper was invented in China. Can you imagine a world without toilet paper? I prefer not to. But yes, this simple invention is something we often take for granted, don't we? But if it was not for the ancient Chinese in AD 851, this necessity may never have been invented. Number 2, in China, red symbolizes happiness, good fortune, and joy. This is why red is banned at funerals in China. Okay, the next fact is that tea was discovered in China. Tea has been used and consumed for thousands of years. It was often utilized as medicine when it was first used in the 10th century. Since then, the customs and use of tea has flourished and evolved. Now we all drink tea. Also, ping pong which is like table tennis. Yeah, table tennis is Chinese national sport. Africa, gather around. Let's talk about China's infrastructure. As we all know, China has got one of the best infrastructures in the world. So over the past decade, China has jumped from 66th out of the 152 countries to 36th place when ranked over all infrastructure according to the World Economic Forum Global Competitiveness Report. Electricity availability reached full coverage for the country in 2013. Guys, full coverage, so putting it on par with high income economies, and access to clean water and sanitation have improved continuously. Meanwhile, the growth in transportation facilities has been exponential, especially in air and railway. The number of Chinese cities with metro services has risen from 10 to 34 since 2008, with their network's route coverage increasing more than 5-fold. It's now the world's largest, according to 2/3 of the global high-speed rail network. China's information and computer technology development has likewise been rapid. Mobile phone subscriptions now exceed 1 per person on average, and broadband access is above that of upper middle income economies. China was one of the first countries to develop and test commercial 5G networks. Okay, now let's just end there about China and let's look at Ghana. Ghana is considered one of the more stable countries in West Africa since its transition into multi-party democracy in 1992. Ghana, a country of West Africa, situated on the coast of the Gulf of Guinea. Although relatively small as compared to China that we just listened to, Ghana is one of the leading countries of Africa, partly because of its considerable natural wealth and particularly because it was the first Black African country south of the Sahara to achieve independence from colonial rule. Formerly known as Gold Coast, Ghana gained independence from the British in 1957, becoming the first sub-Saharan nation to break free from colonial rule. Gold, cocoa, and more recently oil form the cornerstone of Ghana's economy and has helped fuel an economic boom. So some facts about Ghana. 69% of Ghana's land is used for agricultural purposes. Ghana has the world's largest man-made lake called Lake Volta. Ghana has the oldest European-built castle in sub-Saharan Africa. Ghana houses the largest open-air market in West Africa and is proudly the producers of fancy coffins. Ghana and the People's Republic of China established an official diplomatic ties in 1960. Since then, relations between the two countries have been deepened by strong personal relationships between the political elites of the two countries, especially during the era of Nkrumah and Premier Zuma. China and Ghana issued a joint communique on strengthening cooperations in trade, infrastructure, telecommunications, education, health, and culture. Over the decades, Ghana has provided critical diplomatic support to China, while China has reciprocated with material support for development. As in other parts of Africa, Chinese-Ghana trade follows a classic North-South model, with Ghana exporting commodities such as cocoa beans, timber, magnesium, natural rubber, and vegetable products. Also, metal ores, concentrates, and scraps, while importing from China a wide range of manufactured goods including textiles and clothing, traveling bags, shoes, electronics, machinery, and automobiles. China is currently the second largest exporter to Ghana, behind Nigeria. Presently, with the increasing economic engagement between China and Ghana, the benefits from complementary contributions by the Chinese are often eclipsed by the competition with local businesses for the domestic market. Ghana, the second largest gold producer in Africa after South Africa, has in recent years recorded a large influx of migrants from several countries in search of raw materials, especially gold. So, thousands of Chinese have left their villages in China searching for better opportunities in the gold-rich Africa, like Burkina Faso, Togo, and Ghana. Now, these Chinese migrants have set their sights in the Ghana Galamsey. Galamsey, derived from the phrase gather them and sell, is a local Ghanaian term which means illegal small-scale gold mining in Ghana. According to the South China Morning Post, nearly 50,000 illegal prospectors have left China for Ghana since 2005. According to Ghana Immigration Service, these immigrants used tourist visas to enter Ghana via neighboring countries, while many foreign nationals have taken advantage of the laxity and corruption in national and local government structures. The Ghana government seems to be targeting Chinese nationals who have been the subject of much criticism in the country. They are accused of looting and destroying the environment and failing to comply with local laws. Despite the initiatives such as Operation Vanguard, Ghana's efforts at tackling Chinese involvement in Galamsey are being undermined by the inconsistent laws and the corrosive influence of corruption. For instance, whereas Ghanaian law prohibits foreigners from mining plots smaller than 25 acres, many Chinese Galamsey miners reach informal deals with local landowners, with the former mining the site and sharing the proceeds with the latter. Ghanaian law also forbids the dredging of rivers, yet many Chinese operations are actively engaged in river dredging, bribing local officials to look the other way. Water pollution from illegal dredging is rising at an alarming rate, with the Ghana Water Company warning in March 2017 already that the country will soon have to be importing water for consumption if illegal mining activities were not stopped. Ghana is a peaceful nation and we are very accommodative to foreigners. The question is, at which point do we say enough is enough? At which point do we put our people first or the nation first? And this question is to the government. At which point do we consider that there is a better way of doing things than to just take bribes and to make corruption consume our existence? Galamsey must stop. Guys, add your voice. Speak out. Galamsey must stop. Thanks for watching and God bless you.